Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in this particular video I will be discussing how you can assign numerical values to categorical values which are comparable. Okay, like suppose I am just giving one example. One student got S grade in an exam, another student got A grade, another student got B grade. Okay, now although these are string, but we can say S grade is the best grade, A grade is the second best grade, and B grade is the third best grade, and then C, then D, and so on. So suppose I am having only grades A, C, and B, and as our machine learning model are mathematical things, so we cannot deal with simple this categorical or string data type. We need to convert this to numerical. So we can map like this 2, 1, 0. Just we can understand, okay, S is having maximum priority, then A, then B. Alright, so like this you can do. Okay, so let me just remove this particular. So same thing, let us try to implement in MATLAB. Here in this particular data set, although there is nothing such categorical data present which are comparable, like two type of categorical column, one is country, another one is purchased, but we will try to apply our this particular concept on the country. Suppose the mapping, I am taking France as 2, okay, then suppose Spain as 1, and then suppose Germany suppose 0. So there is, although it is not significant that why we can give priority according to country wise, but for the time being let us use this for the particular example. Okay, no, nothing for other purpose. So let me just do here, just clear this particular part, and here we can make one new column like number, and if I map France to 2, Spain to 1, Germany to 0, then again Spain to 1, Germany to 0, France to 2, Spain to 1, France to 2, Germany to 0, France to 2. So my number column will be 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2. Alright. Now we need to form this one in MATLAB. Let us try to do that. Okay. So I will not save this. Don't save. Now here I have opened MATLAB. First of all, import the data. First thing first. So I will be going to desktop and data2.csv file, and then I will import this. Okay. All right. Now how we can change this? Let's just have a glance of our data. Data2, if we write, I will be having my data set. Now to change this, we can run a small piece of code. See, try to understand the code very logically. K is storing all the distinct countries present in our data set. Those are France, Spain, and Germany, and this is string array. Okay, A equal to 210. So this is mapping factor. France is mapped to 2, Spain is mapped to 1, Germany is mapped to 0. Then I have taken my that particular column G equal to data2.country, okay, on which I want to perform mapping. Then number equal to 0's length comma length of G comma 1. What we are doing here basically, see, one new column which will be created having same height as of our column height, or we can say number of rows present in our table. So I am calculating the length of my data.country. See, you can write length of data2.country, and you will be getting 10, because in our data set basically 10 rows are present. Okay, 10 cross 4 table. All right, so we have first initialize all the variables with 0, and then try to understand logically what we have done. For I equal to 1 colon length of k, that is we are traversing in our this particular list. Okay, you can traverse according to length of L also, no issue in that, because number of elements present in L equal to number of elements present in k. Then RS equal to ismember G comma ki. So it will give us one logical array. Okay, if the G elements in G column are equal to ki, that may be France, Spain, Germany. In each iteration it will take those. So the logical array it will return, and that index only we will be mapping to L of I. So how it will work, like let me show you here. Suppose I am writing is member data 2 dot country comma, suppose I am taking France. Okay, so what it will give, it will give us one logical array where only France is coming. Now what we can do, number of answer, because our result is stored in ans variable, equal to, we can make those as, suppose number, so let me first define one number as an empty, there is 0 elements, okay, and having 10 rows and 1 column. For this just showing purpose I am showing you number of ans equal to 2. Okay, now if you check number, what will happen, wherever France is appearing, those places will be basically filled by 2. Okay, all right, like this it is working. So we have done the same. Is member, first we are checking whether they are member or not, and those index map to that particular value, and end that. Remember that is member input must be both categorical array, or one of the input may be scalar string or cell array of character vectors. Okay, so we have taken string in this particular case. Now if we press Ctrl A and evaluate selection, I will be having my number column, and then we can create one new column in our data set, data2 dot number equal to number, like this we can assign. Now if we write data2, see what is happening, one new column is added where, carefully observe, France are mapped to 2, Spain's are mapped to 1, Germany's are mapped to 0. Okay, like this simply it is working. You may think that I want to use character instead of string, that is, instead of using double quote I want to use single quote. Yes, you can do, but there is one problem, I will be showing that. Suppose I am writing like this. Now if I run only this particular part, observe what is happening. See, I have just taken k equal to France, Spain, Germany. Now if I write k and click enter, it is basically making one single character string, we can say single string, appending all those France, Spain and Germany, and there is no such categorical data present in our set. So we have to write such code so that all the characters will not, all the strings will not combine in character array. So instead of square bracket you define, instead of array you define as cell, and instead of kfi like this you can extract using column element, then also your code will perfectly work and you will be getting same data as earlier. So either you can follow string array or you can follow character cell of characters. Okay, anything you can, according to your wish you can follow. So in this video, using this particular code, what we can do, we can map the categorical variables to some particular integers, okay, where the categorical variable are comparable. Okay, in our previous video we have seen one hot encoding, that is for France individually one column we have created, for Spain one column we have created, for Germany we have created another separate column. But here no need to do like that, one single column it will be having those numerical values. Mostly it is used like suppose I am having grading system like excellent, very good, poor. Okay, so excellent will be mapped to 3, very good will be mapped to 2, and poor will be mapped to 0. Like that you can do. One single column is giving us the whole idea. So this kind of categorical mapping also helps us in lots of machine learning modeling. Okay, all right. So this is all for my this video. I hope you understood this. Thank you for watching.